It's writing time, so let's go ahead and get Mr. Pencil, and then we'll start with our ABC song. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Mr. Pencil. Are you awake up there? He is. He's ready to go. Well, the boys and girls are ready. Class, stand and join me to sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Tell me what you think of me. Great job, you may be seated. We've been looking at lots of capital letters, getting ready to, as we write our names. We've been learning how to write our name. And so we start with our capital letter because our names start with a capital letter. We did this letter right here, B. We've done this letter right here. What letter is that? A, good job. Oh, I see another letter. How about this one right here? K, good job. And we've done so many more. And today we are going to write this one right here. Let's look. It starts on a red dot on the ceiling. We're going to walk straight down to the pink carpet. Then we're going to move over onto the ceiling and we're going to make another straight line to the pink carpet. Then we're going to make a dot right here in the middle between both lines. Then I'm going to pick up my pencil. I'm going to go back to the red dot and I'm going to slant down to that dot right there to the pink carpet. Then I pick up my pencil, go back to this line over here on the ceiling and slant down. Oh, this is such a fun letter to make. What letter is that? M, O, and I can tell some of you are so excited because this is your capital letter. Is your name Mary? Maybe your name is Martha. Maybe your name is Matthew or Mark. Maybe your name is what name I have behind our alphabet chart. Do you want to see what's behind my alphabet chart? Well, your name could be Mackenzie. That starts with the M name. Your name could be Marissa. That starts with an M. Lots of names start with M, and I'm excited for you today to write your name. So look at your name tag. Let's find your capital letter. Did you find it? Good. Now again, your capital letter might not be M. It might be some of these other letters that we've already traced or one we haven't traced yet. But I want you to go ahead and trace on your name very quickly. Go slow. Take your time. Very nice job. Good. Oh, and how exciting if today this is your letter. Good job. All right, let's look behind our alphabet chart. Let's see. Are you ready to see if your name's right here? Oh, if your name is Michael, show me your muscles. Nice job. Whoa, look at those muscles. How exciting. This is your name. Now, again, your name might not be Michael, but some of these letters might be in your name, so watch carefully. We're going to start right here in the first house. I'm going to start here on the red dot. I'm going to walk straight down to the pink carpet. Then I pick up my pencil and I move over to the ceiling and I walk straight down to the pink carpet again. Then I'm just going to make a dot with my pencil just so I know where I'm going. Then I go back to the red dot on this side and I slant down to that dot at the pink carpet. Then I pick up my pencil, go back over here to the ceiling and slant down to that dot on the pink carpet to make capital M your letter today. Then I'm going to go over here. I'm going to make this letter. It starts on the dotted line, and we walk straight down to the pink carpet. I pick up my pencil, and I put on a dot. What letter is that, girls? I. Good job. Then I'm going to make this letter. I start just below the ceiling. I curve up to the dotted, I start just below the dotted line. I curve up to the dotted line, curve down to the pink carpet, and up just a little bit because we're not going to close it off. Boys, what letter is that? C. Good job. Now I'm going to go to the ceiling. I'm going to walk straight down to the pink carpet. Then I pick up my pencil, I touch in the middle, I retrace up the same line and curve at the dotted line and go down to the pink carpet. Boys and girls watching, what letter? H. Excellent job. Now, this letter right here, so fun. We start in the middle. I curve up to the dotted line. I curve down to the pink carpet and right back to the middle and stop. I pick up my pencil. I go back to the dotted line and I walk straight down to the pink carpet. What letter is that, girls? A, good. Then I'm going to go right here. I touch in the middle and I'm curving up to the dotted line. I curve down to the pink carpet and back up just a little bit. Then I go right back to the middle and walk backwards to close it off. Boys, what letter? E. Excellent job. You all have your eyes on me and you are thinking in your brain. I love it. And now I'm going to the ceiling and I'm going to walk straight down to the pink carpet. Ooh, what letter is that, girls? L. Excellent job. So today I wrote the name Michael. This is the word Michael, and your name might be Michael. But again, you might have these letters in your name. So this is going to be fun for you to write your name again. Isn't it fun to write your name? You're doing great. Then you could write a letter to your friend. You could write your name on a card to mommy or daddy. You could even write Mrs. Stewart and let me know how old you are, what your favorite things are, and you can sign your name to it. I'm so excited. I can't wait to find out what your name is. I already love you and I already know how hard you work. So I'm excited to find out what your name is. So let's look one more time at this name again, because again, some of these letters might be in your name. I'm going to start right here at the ceiling. I'm going to walk straight down to the pink carpet. Then I'm going to go over here to the ceiling and walk straight down. Then I make my dot in the middle. I start at the red dot and slant down to the middle. Go back over here to the ceiling and slant down to the middle. Then I'm going to make little I. He starts at the dotted line and walks straight down to the pink carpet and make just a dot. Little C starts just below the dotted line. We curve at the dotted line, curve down to the pink carpet, and right back up again. I start at the ceiling for little H. I walk straight down to the pink carpet. I pick up my pencil, start in the middle, and retrace back up the same line to the dotted line and curve down to the pink carpet. I start in the middle for little A. I curve up to the dotted line. I curve down to the pink carpet and right back to the middle. Then I pick up my pencil, I touch the dotted line, and I walk straight down to the pink carpet. For little E, right here in the middle, curve up to the dotted line, curve down and back up just a little bit. Go back to the middle, walk backwards to close it off. Go to the ceiling, and I walk straight down to the pink carpet. Oh, today is going to be a fun day for you to practice your name. I hope you did a great job when you were tracing your name tag, and now it's your turn. You have 3 lines that you're going to do. Practice each line, take your time, go slow, and work hard to write your name. I know you're going to do a great job. Don't forget, sit up straight and tall. Is your tummy to the table? Good. Is your back against the chair? Shoulders up? Grab your pencils. Good. All right, here we go. Daddy says, Mommy says, and the baby say, good. So now you're ready. Is your helper hand on your paper? Go to your first house. Find your first red dot. I am so excited. Go ahead now, work with your on-site teacher, and do all of your houses. I know you're going to do a great job.